Hi, hello, hey, hola, guten tag. Okay, that's all I know. Welcome back everyone, and welcome if you're new here. It is movie morning and today we are watching Airplane. Highly recommended by all you guys. I would say around 80-90% of all recommendation films, movies that were recommended were Airplane. So this one was a definite top of the list and I got it. I don't remember the last time I bought a DVD. I bought it on DVD! Also, I would like to point out that I do have a cold, so I may look slightly different today and my voice might sound slightly different.
I'm all congested and all yucky.
If I keep sneezing all the time and you see things flying out my nose, then that is why, because I do have a cold. I'm not a disgusting person really. And before I get started, I would really like to say thank you so much for all the support that I've had in the last few videos, all the new subscribers, because it really means so much to us. So thank you heaps. And if you plan on sticking around, please subscribe. Please give the video please give the video a big thumbs up. If you have any movie suggestions, please let me know, because I promise I am writing them all down and I will get through them all. Voted one of the 10 funniest movies ever made. Okay then, so you weren't lying. Okay, I think I've rambled on enough again. I'm just going to press play and I really hope I don't have to think much through this, because I don't know what my hand's doing there. My head is mostly filled with cold and not brain. Let's just hope it's an easy watch. We're going for it. Play. That's Jaws. Oh, clever.
The white zone is for immediate loading and unloading of passengers only. There is no stopping in the red zone. Would you care to make a donation?
No, but thank you anyway.
That's what I say.
No, the white zone is for loading and unloading.
Oh, there.
The red zone.
I've just realised the two tannoys are arguing back and forth. Okay.
Don't tell me which zone is for stopping and which zone is for loading.
Listen, Betty, don't start up with your white zone shit again.
Don't start with your white shit zone again.
You put all your metal objects into this dish, please.
What's he got? Oh, his arm. Oh, it's going to go back to him and he's going to have heaps of stuff.
You want me to have an abortion?
It's really the only sensible thing to do if it's done properly. Therapeutic. I'll be back in a minute.
I missed that sound.
It's over there with the bag.
Oops.
And I can't live with the man I don't respect.
Aww. Why doesn't she respect him? Oh.
What a pisser.
Walking material.
Captain over, white Captain Clarence over, white No, the white
She's scheduled for a heart transplant. We'd like you to tell her mother that we found a donor an hour ago. I want you to make sure that she's kept in a reclined position, that a continuous watch is kept on her IV. Also, it's very important that she...
Excuse me, we'd like you to have this flower from the Church of Religious Conscience.
That looked like a real punch.
Hello.
Hello.
Any word on that storm lifting over Salt Lake, Clarence?
I just reviewed the area.
Get plenty sleepy.
Uh-huh.
What about that sun in Tulsa?
I double-checked the terminal forecast and...
Checking the oil. What was he looking at? Her legs.
Elaine Dickinson is on this flight.
Oh, the guy's still in the taxi. His face is like this. He's like...
Have a nice trip.
Hey, you know what they say? See a broad to get that booty yak 'em. Lay her down and smack 'em, yak 'em. Oh, got to be. You know? Shit.
I don't think I understood any of that. What they're talking about? What you talking about? Hell no, I use Smoko.
Nervous? First time.
No, I've been nervous lots of times.
He's gonna end up falling out there.
Oh, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Flight 209er, you are cleared for
I
takeoff.
always find it funny when people wave like this, like.
Departure frequency 123.9.
We have clearance, Clarence.
Roger, Roger. What's our vector, Victor?
Now we're ready to clearance. Over.
Roger, Roger.
Roger, over. Hey!
Who? Oh, this is good stuff.
Our arrival time at Chicago
Boys
will
like-
be 10:45 p.m.
Nonsense.
Temperature is currently 62 degrees. There's a 20% chance of precipitation.
Do you have anything light? How about this leaflet, famous Jewish sports legends? Yes, thank you. Dad, what are you doing here?
Elaine, I've got to talk to you.
You shouldn't have come. I don't have time now.
He's gonna save the day and then they're gonna get back together at the end.
Count on a fight breaking out almost every night.
Tis true, the girls can be worse than boys for fighting. Oh, love it, love it.
I had to ask the guy next to me to pinch me to make sure I wasn't dreaming. I was afraid to approach her, but that night, fate was on my side.
That would be me. Just completely unaware of what's going on. Oh, she's so pretty. Everyone in the background's just like this, like.
Laughed, talked. But enough about me. I hope this hasn't been boring for you. It's just that whenever I start to talk about Elaine, I always get so carried away.
I'll tell you what, Joey. I'll talk to the captain and see what I can arrange. Gee, that'd be swell.
Gee, thanks. That'll be swell.
Would you gentlemen care to order your dinners?
Bet, babes. Slide a piece of the pole to the drinks. I run the job.
I can take grease and trumpet on some butter and drag him through the garden.
That would be me as well.
Excuse me. I happen to be passing. I thought you might like some coffee. Oh, that's very nice of you. Thank
Oh, coffee for the little ones.
you. Cream? No, thank you. I take it black. Like my man.
My squadron ships out tomorrow. We're bombing the storage depots at Dakar in
Oh,
1,500
it's
hours.
covered in seaweed. Oh, there's fish. Oh.
You ever been in a cockpit before?
No, sir. I've never been up in a plane before.
You ever seen a grown man naked?
You want me to check the weather, Clarence?
You ever hang around the gymnasium?
Tell your old man to drag Walton and Lanier up and down the court for 48 minutes.
What was that? A penis joke?
You like movies about gladiators?
Movies about gladiators.
Elaine, just hear me.
How I used to sit on your face and wrinkle it. Afterwards, how we watched till this. Is that good news?
Is it?
You've been in.
Because of my mistake. 6 men didn't return from that. Yeah, all right. Take 5. Thanks.
I found the apartment for
Boing, boing, boing.
There is only one river, there is only one sea.
Uh-oh.
And it flows through you. There is only one people.
The mom.
One and the same.
Oh, she did it. Oh!
We are one.
At first, they didn't know what to think of us. But soon we gained their trust.
It'll help you better.
I love
than
elephants.
Leftovers to help stretch your food dollar. This 2-quart seals and right container keeps hot dog buns fresh for days.
You must understand these people. And finally advanced
Yeah.
competitive theory. I was patient with them, and they were eager to learn. They seemed to enjoy them, probably due to the advanced American teaching techniques that we were able to bridge the generations of isolation.
Advanced American teaching technique.
And that, as much as anything else, led to my drinking problem. I did come back to the States. I had a number of jobs.
Drinking
For hours,
problem.
you know, I really couldn't blame Elaine. She wanted a career.
I think the man sitting next to me is a doctor. You a doctor?
That's right.
Passenger say very sick. Could you come take me?
Yes. Yes, of course.
Why has he got his stethoscope in? Silly doctor. Is it an egg?
This woman has to be gotten to a hospital.
A hospital? What is it?
It's a big building with patients. That's not important right now. Tell the captain I must speak to him.
It's a big building with patients. Oh.
Captain, how soon can you land?
I can't tell.
You can tell me I'm a doctor.
No, I mean, I'm just not sure.
Take a guess.
Well, not for another 2 hours.
You can't take a guess for another 2 hours.
No, I mean, we can't land for another 2 hours. Fog has closed down everything this side of the mountains.
Oh, I love it. Oops.
Will become violently ill in the next half hour. Extremely serious. Starts with a slight accompanied by uncontrollable flatulence, until finally the poor bastard is reduced to a quivering, wasted piece of jelly.
He farted.
There it is.
That's not real, is it? They don't really have that. It's a balloon pilot.
Stan, go upstairs to the tower and get a runway guide. Terry, check down the field for emergency.
Chief, we got fog right down to the deck. Every place east of the Rockies. No positive place.
Get me Rex Kramer.
Right next
Oh.
to the front.
No, it's dropping.
Oh no.
It's dropping fast. Why is it doing that?
Who popped him?
Now that is the manual inflation nozzle. Pull it out and blow on it.
I know what's gonna happen here.
What
Belt.
the hell's going on up there?
What the? Why? Oh God. That autopilot's face. Oh, it's got. Apparently, it's the best time to have one.
And you're a member of this crew. Can you face some unpleasant facts?
No.
No.
All right. Unless I get all those people to... Is there anyone on board who can land this plane?
Still got a drinking problem.
No. No reason to become alarmed, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your flight. By the way, is there anyone on board who knows how to fly a plane?
Completely unrelated. We need a new pilot. What? The boobies.
But as I said, they didn't have time to tell me very much.
It's a doggy. It's like a doggy.
After a while, you again get used to it. No, I'm in. Program.
It's funny because it's true. Some dog owners are like that.
Built those roads. They had no thought of drainage in mind, so we had to take special. Chief up to the main road. In fact, we were
A little problem in the cockpit.
the cockpit. What is it?
It's a little room in the front of the plane where the pilot is. That's not important right now. You see, the first officer is ill and the captain needs someone to help him. Would you go up, please?
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Doctor, I checked everyone. Mr. Stryker's the only one.
What flying experience have you had?
And don't call me Shirley. Uh-oh. This is making me dizzy. Oh, he's still sitting in the taxi.
That's
What?
Your wife. I want the kids in bed by night. I want the dog fed, the yard watered, and the gate locked. And get no more cheese. What the hell?
It's just all the little bits are so
Well, we can't do
funny.
that. Course 090. Trim, mixture, wash, soap, rinse, spin.
Wash the rinse spin.
What are you doing here?
Go back and sit down. Go back and sit down.
Mayday!
I gotta get out of here. Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Just let me handle this.
I gotta get
Get back to your seat. I'll take care of this.
Everyone give it a slap.
Excuse me, we'd like to have this followed. How about Buddhism? Jerry's kids? Oh yeah. Scientology? Or nuclear power?
I wish I could do that.
No frills passengers now arriving. Please have your baggage claim checks ready to show attendance upon leaving the terminal.
I know, but this guy doing the flying has no airline experience at all. He's a menace to himself and everything else in the air. Yes, very good. All right, Steve, let's face a few facts. This man Stryker during the war. He's have enough on his mind without worrying about those times when things weren't so good. Vince Stryker was a top-notch flyer. Long time ago.
Where did that come from? What's going on?
You'll have to talk him right down to the ground. Very well. What's Stryker on the speaker?
Are these supposed to mean anything? Because I don't get it. The watermelon.
All right, I'm going to unlock the automatic pilot.
Oh, what's gonna happen?
Don't worry about that. It's perfectly normal.
Where the... They need to pop him! Oh god, she's not doing very well, is she?
Yes, the stewardess is here with me. Good.
Autopilot's a sex pest.
All right, I'm going to level with you all. The most important thing now is that you remain calm.
I like him.
No reason to panic.
Why is he
Now, it is true that one of the crew members is slight. The other two pilots are just
Ah!
flying the plane. It's a line above the
Why does his nose look so
It's running a
gross?
little hot. But you shouldn't have complete confidence in your chances to come out of this thing alive.
What? Why is there a vulture
What
in
kind of weather you in up
Hey,
there? A little ice.
sorry, I don't understand.
Cuddy say can't hang.
Oh, stewardess, I speak jive.
Oh, good.
He said that something want to help chop them get
Say
dickhead.
can't hang. Pick it up.
Master don't got no brains.
Johnny, what do you make out of this? This? What, a cap? What a brooch? A pterodactyl piece
What do you make out of this? Oh, who's this?
Steve McCruskey thought you want to get down right away.
Yes, I'll be right down.
Is that a horse?
I'm
That's like my head. I want to be in a plane.
It's impossible. We're on instruments.
Doctor.
Congressman, let me know when you get anything. But he's an experienced Air Force pilot, flew during the war, so there's no cause for alarm. Hence, I'll take over.
That's a nice scream, Con.
Red stripes, curtains in the window, and wheels, and it looks like a big Tylenol.
Okay, boys, let's get some pictures.
I like him also. Let's get a picture. Camera angles.
Would you like a little whiskey, man?
Certainly not.
Certainly not.
We're running out of time.
Surely there must be something you can.
I'm doing everything I can.
And don't call me Shirley.
Stop calling me Shirley.
R-E-S-B-C-T, find out what it means to me. R-E-S-B-C-T.
Kramer hears about this, the shit's gonna hit the fan.
Oh.
Watch out. Bad news. Fog is getting thicker.
And Leon's getting larger.
Excuse me, Doc. I've got a plane to land.
Yay! Ooh.
Captain Kramer, this is Captain Colosimo, Captain Hinshaw, this is Captain Gatz, Captain Kramer, Captain Gatz, Captain Hinshaw, Captain Roberts.
All right, Colosimo, you work the relay. Roberts took over traffic within 5 miles. Get that finger out of your ear. You don't know where that finger's been.
Dave.
Husband and the others are alive. Air Israel, please clear the runway.
I wanted you to know now. I'm very proud.
Aww. That's cute.
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
That doesn't stop you.
What's she doing?
Picked the wrong week to quit sniffing glue.
Sniffing glue. His face.
Below 700 now, still going down. 675, 650, 655. He's holding. He's no, he's down. He's down.
Sound your alarm bell now.
The laundry needs done.
Just kidding. Lift your nose. Straighten your wings.
Uh-oh.
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
The doctor's amazing.
Gate 13, gate 14, gate 15.
It's a twister! It's a twister!
Gate 23.
Yay! He did it!
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
Ryder, I'd like to buy you a drink and shake your hand.
Aww.
Ted, I just want you to know that when the going got rough,
Okay, all right, have a nice day.
I was never happy as a child. Christmas, Ted, what does it mean to you? Living hell. It's like to fall in the mud. Head, an iron boot.
I wonder if the man's still in the taxi. Told ya. I told ya. Movie kisses are so weird. Oh. Nice one. Oh, it's the end! Okay, there's 3 minutes left, so I'm just gonna watch through the end credits just to make sure that there's nothing at the end that I need to see. Because I don't want to miss anything.
Well, I'll get
knew
back
it.
in 20 minutes. But that's it.
I knew he would still be in the taxi. Yes! That was a good ending. Well done. That was good. I really liked that. And what a perfect day to watch it as well, because laughing makes everything feel better, even my runny nose. I do apologise for any sniffing throughout the video. I promise I'm not normally this disgusting. Okay, I'm really happy that I watched that. I can't believe I've never seen it before. It was so good, and it was so funny, and it was such an easy watch as well. I think I didn't really have to pay attention to understand what was going on. I really enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for recommending watching it. It was well worth it. Okay, so let's end the video there. I am probably going to go back to bed because I feel awful. I'll go to bed with a smile on my face because it was such a good movie. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching, and please, I know I say it all the time, but I really mean it. I do appreciate if you subscribe, and if you want to stick around and watch every other video I do. Don't even know what I'm saying. I do really appreciate it, and we love it so much, so thank you. And please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Next one I think is either going to be between two. I think it's between Blazing Saddles and The Princess Bride, I think, but I'm gonna have to go through my list and check and see which one was most recommended by you guys. You guys are awesome. I'm gonna go, so I'm gonna say goodbye. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.